As a mechanic, auto technician, or auto workshop owner, having the right tools in your workshop is very essential for completing a variety of tasks. That is why you need to get the right tools box or right tools cabinet. A tools cabinet that will give you all the tools you need to handle different tasks. That is why I want to introduce you to this premium 7-drawer tools cabinet set. It has 421 pieces of tools, wrenches, ratchets and socket sets, pliers, hammers, tape measure, utility knife, level, Allen keys or hex keys. And what even makes it more special is that it has specialty tools like filter caps, caliper press, and portable chargeable light. It is all-in-one solution for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. 6 out of the 7 drawers are filled with tools, leaving you with 1 drawer for you to also fill in your special tools. This 7-drawer tools cabinet will elevate your work and workshop. Equip yourself with this all-in-one tools cabinet, because when it comes to tools, more is more. Anywhere you are, I can ship it from China directly to you. Reach out to me through my WhatsApp number or email, and I will get it shipped to you directly. This is Autocare 360.